Hi friends, I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director at Ansa Interiors and HOD at The Dropout. And today we are going to learn a lot about wooden floorings, and we are with Abhinav ji at BB Floors.
Most welcome, please. How are you?
Very nice, thank you. So, what is wooden flooring?
Basically, wooden flooring is like a three or four kinds of wooden floors. So, basic range starts from laminate flooring, which is a paper flooring, and the base would be like HDF, MDF, whatever. And then we have engineered floor, in which the top layer, like it is like if it is 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 and whatever, so it should be like a proper hardwood which is properly seasoned, KD, kiln dried, and everything. And the base and the bottom would be like birch, eucalyptus, anything. Then we have a solid wood, which is through and through solid. If it would be a 18 mm thickness, so it means it should be like through and through pure solid. And we do all the KD, staining, everything. We do the part for the food.
So primarily when you talk about wooden floorings, you're talking about three categories: the laminated wooden flooring, engineered wooden flooring, and the
Right.
hardwood. How are they priced?
So the price, if you talk about laminate floor, the basic range starts from 200 rupees a square feet. And if you talk about engineer, the starts from 500, it goes up to 1500. And solid wood in itself is like a solid, so it is like 650, 700 rupees a square feet.
Which type of wooden flooring is the best?
See, my personal recommendation is engineered floor because it consists of like three layers. So everything is just like Australian CLT based system, which is one vertical, horizontal, then vertical, and it is like proper KD and everything. So my personal recommendation is engineered floors.
But I'm sure there are so many grains available and colors available in the wooden flooring also. So does engineered wood has any problem with wrapping or probably expansion, contraction, moisture?
See, wood is a natural product.
Hmm.
Ultimately, at a span of time, it will show a behavior, which is like expanding, contracting. But our wooden floors is just like thermowoods, which only consists of like 2% moisture. So it will not expand much, warp, cupping, nothing happen to the product.
What are the pros and cons of using a wooden flooring? So let's talk about the positives. We'll have so many positives to talk about.
See, the pros and cons I don't know about much because, be frank, I love wood.
Yeah.
Right?
That I can
I
see.
don't I don't mind to keep a maintaining power or something like that if I need to mop or something. But like there are like few people who don't want to be they want a maintenance free product just like marble, tile. So we are not comparing here with a marble or a tile
That
with
I
a
agree
wood.
because they're two different products with two different, absolutely different
G.
ambience that they create.
Exactly. So a word which gives you a very cozy, natural, calm feeling. It is heat insulated. It means like सर्दियों में आपको गर्मी का एहसास नहीं है, गर्मियों में
Actually,
आपको
it's very
सर्दी का एहसास नहीं है.
बहुत पैरों पे बड़ी वार्म होती
Warmth है
है, एक
basically.
बहुत
Yeah.
सुंदर सी वार्मथ आती है इसकी और
Exactly.
एक
When you see the,
Yeah.
because according to my perception, when you wake up in the morning and you see your floor, it is just like a soothing.
correct.
So it always gives you a positive feel.
I think there are a lot of pros that I look at when I look at wooden flooring. It's strong, it's durable, it's easy to clean, and easy to install.
Install nothing.
Nothing
Just
is,
one day job.
It's a one-day job. Nothing is as easier to install as a wooden flooring. I think the variations and the color variety available in wood is amazing. I think it surpasses any other product available.
100%.
And
100%.
somehow I also feel it's very cost effective, long lasting,
See,
and
effective, I really don't say. If you talk about laminate, 100% it is cost effective. But if you talk about engineered, so base range starts at a certain point of price, but it goes up to like 1000, 1500 rupees a square feet.
I think one more thing that I like about wood is that it has a better air quality in the room. और मतलब मैं अगर
बिल्कुल.
किसी भी वाइनल से या किसी और केमिकल प्रोडक्ट से कंपेयर करूँ या इवन टाइल से कंपेयर करूँ, आई फील दी एयर क्वालिटी विद वुड इज मच बेटर.
So basically क्या है, wood energy नहीं सोखता है.
Correct.
And the thing is, it is antibacterial somehow, not the 100%.
Yes. Yes.
So this is बिकॉज आपके स्टोन पे मार्बल पे कहीं ना कुछ आपको समझ आता है कि हाँ इट इज लाइक नॉट antibacterial, but the wood is 100% not 100%, but yes, an antibacterial.
When I use wood on the paneling, the best part about it is it doesn't fade.
It doesn't fade, yeah.
So if
It
I
looks
use,
like as it is,
yeah,
lifelong. You can like after a span of 20 years, you can uninstall and
yeah,
install
reuse
somewhere
it.
else.
Yes,
Yeah, you
yes.
can
So it's
reuse it.
recyclable. That's a very very positive part about wood.
Right.
But what about the cones? So कुछ तो ऐसा होगा जो अच्छा नहीं होगा.
See, I don't see anything like apart from the maintenance part. I don't see any concept of it. Though it is my baby, but still, let's be upfront. अगर कुछ होता, so I would love to give you that information.
Except for the maintenance, I don't see any con with the product. But
No.
it's just that इसको maintenance चाहिए.
चाहिए.
थोड़े time बाद
After a
oiling
span
चाहिए.
of,
या
no, it is for the exteriors. Of course,
Yes.
you need oiling, but for interiors, there is no need.
yeah, correct. But overall, it's a very warm product to use.
Yeah, it is. It is.
But what are the other applications of wood when we
So
look at
wood-
flooring or the panelings that you offer?
So in the wood, basically, if we talk about all the wall panelings, ceilings, dresser rooms, washrooms, lobby area, bed back walls, TV back walls, there are like n number of applications. So you can install it anywhere. It absolutely, of course, it will go as per the theme of an architect or an interior designer. But of course, it always gives you a warm feel. Whether it is you
That
install
I
it the
totally
wall.
agree to. Totally agree. And when we talk about the age of wooden flooring, how long does it last?
So if we talk about the aging, a wood never ends. You can use a sandpaper after a span of 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. You just use a sandpaper of like 140, 150 number. And then the same
It's
wood will
as
come
new-
up. Yeah,
as
new.
new as installed.
Bilkul.
Correct.
Bilkul.
And what are the different price ranges? Like you were talking about, the laminated can start from anything between 150 to 200 rupees. And what's the highest it can go to?
If we talk about laminate, are we talking
No,
about?
not the laminate, but the wooden flooring per
So
se.
wooden floor percentage is, as I mentioned earlier, like it starts 150, 200.
And the highest that it
Highest
can go
is 1500, 2000 rupees a square
Okay.
feet. If we take the geometric series.
to. Okay. So when we talk about the fusion series where you have blended the stone, metal and wood together, that would be about.
That would be about 3000 rupees a square feet.
Okay.
You get
So the real wooden flooring will go up to 2000.
2000, yes.
How is wooden flooring installed? Any tips or probably consideration that we need to take care while installing?
So see, while installing, we just need to take into the consideration it has to be proper glue down. The form should be lie down in a very uniformity. The uniformity is there.
Yes.
So this is a proper and the nail down. So I think the experience, skill, labor, the installers are doing a pretty good job in this.
Of course. Is wooden flooring sustainable? So how eco-friendly is it and how sustainable it is?
See, eco-friendly, but there is just like one treatment we need to do it is that is again a heat treatment and chemical treatment. So I don't think so. This is like any chemical treated anything. So this is what I personally feel it is 99% eco-friendly. So according to the FSC certified and the certification, it is eco-friendly product.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when we talk about recycling, does this product give an advantage of being recyclable?
See, recycled as in what do you recycle in it?
So today I am using this as a wooden flooring. Tomorrow I don't want to use it as a wooden flooring and I'm reconstructing. Can I just take it out, use it as wooden paneling somewhere else?
No, I don't think so that would do because if you're reconstructing a house, you should apply a new product.
No, that's marketing. That's marketing.
No, that's not marketing. But of course, if anyone will reconstruct a house, so वो product लगाएगा जो आने वाले 5 साल ट्रेंड में रहे, rather than वो 10 साल ट्रेंड पीछे लेके आ रहा है.
Correct. Correct. What are the other products that you deal with? So apart from the wooden flooring, what all do you do?
So if you talk about other babies, so we have exterior cladding, we do thermopine, we do thermo ash, thermo oak, thermo ios. We do a lot of other species in regards to paneling, whether it is exterior or interior. Then we do wooden floors, Then we do concrete slabs, like 8 by 4, 4 mm thickness, and neat, clean product. And then we do like customizations. We do a lot of doors, hardwood doors, main doors, 14 feet, 12 feet.
You're telling me that wood is actually not really a wooden flooring is not really a wooden flooring. It can actually be used to make a lot of other things as
Other
well.
applications is there. Now, like if you want to use the wooden floors as a wall application,
Correct.
there is no need to recoat it. It is already pre-coated. You just need to nail down, glue down, cut, खत्म उसके बाद.
So I'm sure आज तो हमने आपसे wooden flooring के बारे में बहुत सारी चीजें पूछी. Next time when we sit down, we'll talk about other products like your thermopine, thermoash, and the concrete tiles, and a lot more.
Right,
I'm
100%. Yeah,
Thank you so much for being with us today, and it was such a pleasure to have you with us.
the pleasure is all mine.
Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And for any kind of architecture and design consultancy, you can contact us on www.ansainteriors.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.